Greetings of the day, everyone. Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to see how to drop a primary key column, a column which has data type which is primary key. Now, certainly, what happens is there are certain constraints attached to the primary key. As you can see, this is our table, employee details, which has 6 columns, and from which employee ID is the primary key. So what if we use the alter command in order to drop the column employee ID? You can see this error, which is this constraint is dependent on the employee ID, which is the primary key. So initially what we can do is just take this constraint, copy this constraint, whichever the constraint is being displayed in the SSMS, MySQL Studio management services. You can just take the constraint and you can type in the command alter table name, drop constraint, and you just paste the constraint whichever is being displayed when you drop the column of primary key, which is of empid. If you execute this, you can see it has successfully been completed. So you can just see, yeah. So once this is completed, you can go back to the previous query, which is dropping the column empid. Now you can just execute this command, which is alter table, the table name, drop column name. So what is this in SSMS? So this is the table name, and this is a kind of chaining which shows this is the database that we have created, and each table in SSMS is prefixed with DBO. You can see the drop down over here. This is the master, so you can select the database in which your table is there, and you can execute this command. So if you execute this command, see it has been successfully completed. So once you can, after this, you can see select star from employee details, which is our table. You can see the primary key column has been dropped. Thank you. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.